simulan na natin. Slice the pork and then marinate the pork with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, pinch of black pepper, ground black pepper, and olive oil. Ayan, mix natin ng mabuti. Ayan, para kumapit yung lasa. Next natin yung ating beans. Ayan, nilinis na natin. Tapos, magpakulo tayo ng hot water. Lagyan natin ng 1 teaspoon of salt. Iba-blanch natin yung ating beans for 1 minute. And then, after 1 minute, hanguin natin yung ating beans. And then, hugasan natin ng running water. Set aside. Next, let's prepare our ginger and garlic. Ayan, magpainit na tayo ng ating kawali. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in the shredded ginger. Ayan, shoot natin hanggang sa lumabas na yung aroma niya. Then, add the chopped garlic. Ayan. And then, add the marinated pork. Ayan. Stir fry over medium-high heat. Ayan, stir fry lang guys hanggang sa maging lightly golden brown. Then, add the beans. Stir fry for 2 minutes. And then, mix together. And set aside. Ayan, pwede na siyang i-serve guys ng ganito. Pero, for me, gusto ko yung medyo may sauce. So, gumawa ako ng soy sauce based na sauce. Then, pour on top of your pork and beans before serving. Ayan. Nagsandok na tayo ng kanin at pwede na tayong kumain. Recipe number 2, minced pork and beans. Ayan. May topping siya na chili. At ito naman ang kakailanganin natin. Minced pork, bagu beans, red chili, spring onion, hoisin sauce, olive oil. Ayan, simulan na natin. Tanggalin natin yung dulo part ng bagu beans. And then, slice natin ng maliliit. Depende sa size na gusto nyo guys. Kayo na bahala dyan. Next, yung ating spring onion. Yan, slice din natin ng maliliit siya. Yan, set aside. Next natin yung ating red chili. Tanggalin natin yung seeds and then slice natin ng maliliit na pahaba for serving later. Olive oil, bagu beans, minced pork, spring onion, hoisin sauce, around 2 tablespoons, yung ating chili. Ayan, simulan na natin. Magpainit na tayo ng ating kawali. Lagay natin yung ating 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once mainit na yung ating mantika, lagay natin yung ating baji beans over medium-high heat. Yan, stir-fry natin for 1 minute. Ayan, let's make some space for minced pork. Ayan. Continue cooking while breaking up the minced pork. Ayan. Lutuin natin hanggang sa mawala na yung pinkish niya. Ayan, okay na yung ating minced pork. Pwede na natin siyang ihalo. Ayan, stir fry together with the baji beans. And add in the spring onion. 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, cook for another 2 minutes and turn off the heat. Ready to serve! Magsandok na ng rice at pwede na tayong kumain. Top with chili if you want something hot before serving. Nag-prepare din pala ako ng boiled cauliflower for side dish. Kain na guys! Share and enjoy! I just wanna say thank you to my Team Superstar and to Premier Replay family. Thank you!